To clean duplicate contacts in Brevo, you'll work directly inside the contacts area, hunting down matching email addresses and removing the extras while keeping the best record for each person. Let me walk you through it, step by step, starting from your browser. First, open Brevo's login page and sign into your account. Once you hit enter, the main dashboard loads with the familiar left sidebar. I want to pause right here and do something that saved me more than once. Before you touch a single contact, grab a full backup. Click Contacts in that sidebar, then click the Contacts sub-item that appears directly underneath it to open your full database. Now, look for the three-dot menu button sitting just above the contact table on the right. Click it and choose Export. Brevo will ask you which list and which attributes. Just go with all contacts and all attributes. Then download the CSV file and stash it somewhere safe. If a deletion ever goes sideways, you can re-import this file and be right back where you started. It's a tiny habit that avoids enormous headaches. Alright, with the backup saved, you're on the main contacts page, and you can see your table of names, email addresses, and whatever custom fields you've set up. Brevo doesn't have a built-in one-click deduplication button, so you'll manually identify duplicates. The quickest way for a small to medium list is to use the search bar. Click into it at the top of the contact list, type an email address you already suspect appears more than once, and press enter. The table refilters instantly. If that email belongs to 2 or more contacts, each one will appear as a separate row, and you'll know right away there's work to do. Scroll through the results and look at the names, phone numbers, and the creation dates that Brevo shows in the column headers. Now, if your database is larger, hundreds or thousands of records, relying on search alone is going to be slow. What I do is take that same CSV export I just saved, open it in a spreadsheet, and use a fast duplicate check there. In Google Sheets, for instance, you can highlight the email column, go to Format Conditional Formatting, choose Custom Formula Is, and enter a COUNTIF rule that flags any address appearing more than once. Suddenly you have a map of every duplicate set, and you can work from that list. It's far more thorough than hunting by eye, and it also lets you spot duplicates where the email is identical, but the name is typed slightly differently. Keep that spreadsheet open as your master checklist, and switch back to Brevo for the actual deletion. Once you've identified a duplicate pair or group, open each record in its own browser tab, right-click the contact's email or name, and open in a new tab, or just command-click on a Mac, so you can compare them side by side. You're looking for the record that has the most complete and up-to-date information. Check engagement data if you have it, which one has a more recent last open or click, and which one belongs to the correct list. Often the older entry will be missing a phone number or have an outdated company name, while the newer one picked up those fields from a recent import. This is where you earn a clean database. If the record you're going to keep is missing something from the one you're about to delete, like a direct phone number or a note, copy that info into the keeper first and hit save. Brevo doesn't offer a native merge tool, so this manual sync is your only chance to preserve valuable data before the delete button wipes it for good. Now you're ready to remove the extra. Back on the main contacts list, check the small box to the left of the duplicate you want to remove. When you select at least one row, an action bar appears above the table with options like Assign to List, Add to Workflow, and crucially, a trash can icon labeled Delete. Click Delete and Brevo will throw a confirmation modal at you. It's deliberately stark, usually a warning that the action is permanent and cannot be undone. That's your last chance to double check that you've picked the right record. A common pitfall here is rushing and deleting the one that's tied to an active automation. Brevo won't stop you, but later your workflow reports might throw errors because a reference contact went missing. So I always glance at the list memberships column before confirming. If it looks correct, tap the confirm button in the modal. The page refreshes and that duplicate row disappears from the view. Repeat this process for the next duplicate pair you've identified. Don't try to batch delete a bunch of checked rows unless you are absolutely certain every checked contact is a true duplicate with nothing unique worth saving. The manual one-at-a-time approach costs you an extra couple of minutes, but it prevents the oh no moment of realizing you nuked a contact that had a crucial tag or a recent support ticket link. Trust me, I've been there, and the export backup was my only safety net. Once you've cleared the duplicates you found, close those extra tabs and head back to the main contacts view. Hit your browser's refresh button or click contacts in the sidebar again to reload the full list. Now type the email address of a contact you just cleaned into the search bar a final time and verify that only one record now appears. You might also skim the total contact count shown at the top of the page. It should have dropped by the number of duplicates you removed, confirming the changes stuck. At this point, your Brevo database is significantly tidier. You'll get more accurate open and click reports because no single person is being counted twice, and your campaigns won't accidentally send the same email to someone more than once in the same blast. For an easy next step, I'd suggest you lock in this cleanliness. Set a calendar reminder to repeat a quick duplicate sweep every month or quarter. Also, look at how new contacts come in. If you heavily rely on CSV imports, get into the habit of deduplicating those files in your spreadsheet before uploading. Remove duplicates in the file itself, and then commit a fresh import. That one pre-import step alone will stop most duplicates from ever entering Brevo. If this walkthrough helped you get your contact list under control, drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.